You guys are probably wondering why we starting off this video from the back of this mini bike. We're getting rid of this nasty seat, the one that everybody's always commenting about. Yeah, I know, I wanted to change it too. They're just really hard to get. So these little bikes right here, these style bikes, little Motovox, stuff like that, all these seats are extremely hard to get. They used to be like $30 seats. This is the old one. Look how messed up this is. It's seen better days, of course. So these seats are like extremely hard to get, and they only sell these, which I just bought this one, brand new. Yeah, cool. Brand new. Extremely hard to get. It took me actually a couple weeks to get it. They went from $30 for the seats to now $100. So it cost me $100 to get this new seat. Only problem is that these seats bolt on just a little bit differently. They don't have the same bolt pattern as the other ones. So what you got to do is you slide it under here, under the first little part, and then back here you got to put brackets, because this one bolts up from, hold on, give me a second. This one bolts up from the side, right there. So you got to use brackets. There's a company that sells brackets, but you don't really need to, and you can kind of, you know, find an L bracket or make your own, stuff like that. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put these in here, and then I'll mark where I need to put the bolt for the other one down there, and then we should be good. So let me start marking this, and then we can get this seat on here. Then our mini bike will actually look real good now, look decent. All right, so I quickly made these brackets. I just cut them real quick, put a couple holes in it. They're not the prettiest ones, but they're gonna work. So now I can bolt it on. Guys, we got it on. So those are the little brackets that I made. Just one bolts to the existing frame, and then we use some zinc bolts, and then also I made this little band, and then from where the seat bracket is, put another bolt in there. Same thing with the other side. Seat's sturdy from the front, it latches, and yeah. Now we can pull this off. Wow, look at that, what a difference. Looks like a whole new bike again compared to this. Look at this crap. Definitely worth $100 and waiting a couple weeks. I mean, look at this. Wow. Yeah, let me know what you guys think. So anybody who, you know, has a Motovox and stuff like that, and you need a seat, you can use any of the other style seats. This seat will fit. This seat is for a Monster Moto or a Mega Moto, which is the bigger ones that go power sports and other places sell. This bike is a Motovox, which is a little bit different, but this seat still fits. So just like I said, it clips in into the front right here. It just goes under the little bracket. In the back, you just got to make simple little brackets, and it'll be on. Sits perfect. Sits just like the old one. They don't make these seats anymore, the ones that bolt. These normally have 3 bolts. They don't make these anymore, so, you know, good thing these still work too. Yeah, check it out. Tell me what you guys think. And I appreciate you guys watching. Just a short video, show you guys, you know, the updates on it. And I'll see you guys in the next one.